Hi again. I have some details I want to add, specifically to the eye. I need just to make some adjustment right here. I will select the head and tap to the edit mode and switch to face, hit number 3, and select this face and grow the selection. To grow, just hit Ctrl plus couple times to this edge right here. Just to grow the selection to this edge and then hit XF to delete all of these faces. Alright, now switch to edge, hit number 2, alt click to select this edge loop and then hit F to fill this area. After that, let's switch back to face, hit number 3, alt click here to select this face loop and then hit shift D to take a copy and hit right click to leave it in the same place. But now we have a copy of these faces and I need to separate them, so I need to hit P for separate and S to separate the selection. So just hit S. After that, tap to the object mode and I need to select this alone. Alright, so I just selected this alone. I have a bevel applied on this piece. I don't need it, so deactivate it and switch. Just hit this arrow, and now I need to give it a thickness. So I need to open modifier list to add what solidify is right here. Just slide this a bit to the opposite direction because I just need to add a piece of plastic around the eye, just like that, and there we go. Now it's cool. After that, you can take the bevel underneath the solidify and close this and activate the bevel to see the results, and now we got this result. Let's hit slash to isolate this piece alone and tap to the edit mode because I don't need these faces in the bag, so select them, grab them just like what I did, and then hit X F to delete these faces. Control Z. Let's see what we got. Sorry, you need to apply the solidify to avoid that problem. Tap to the object mode, go to solidify, apply it, and now you can do that thing. So let's do that again. Alt click XF, and there we go. That's cool. Maybe the bevel is too much. Let's see, it's 0.5. I'm going to change this to 0.05, and maybe there is some problem with the scale, so let's apply the scale. Control A, apply it, and yeah, that's right. Now it's correct. Hit slash and select this the eye again and tap just hit slash to isolate it. Tap to the edit mode, grab this face, and I need to separate it, so just hit P S to separate this face, and now we have this face alone right here. That's cool. Hit slash again, and there we go. We finished from this side. I need to reflect the same effect from this side to this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another mirror modifier on the head. So deactivate the bevel and let's add a mirror modifier right here. So now we added the mirror modifier. Just activate bisect and hit flip to flip the information, and there we go. After that, apply the mirror. We don't need it anymore, and activate the bevel, and that's correct. Let's bring the 3D cursor right here in the center of this head. So shift S, cursor to selected, and let's select this new eye and shift D to duplicate it, and then right click mirror to the global X, but I need to active the 3D cursor right here because I want to depend on the 3D cursor. So select this again, right click, mirror to the global X, and there we go. Now it's cool. Grab this one, shift D, and mirror to the global X again, and that's cool. After that, let's jump to the feet right here because I just need to add something here. Maybe that will make the Maybe that will make this piece more professional, beautiful. So let's hit number 3 to jump to the right view. After that, I will add a box right here, but I need to bring the 3D cursor to this piece. So Shift S, selected, Shift S, and cursor to selected. Where is the cursor? Let's select this again, Shift S, cursor to selected. Yeah, it's right here. Shift A, and let's add cube. It's very big. Let's add 5 centimeter to make it small. Just scale it to the Z and G and move it right here and make it penetrate this piece. G, stumble around just like that, and select this box and hold Shift to grab this and Control slash to make a slice. When you complete, grab them all, Control A, apply visual geometry to mesh, or that's maybe sometime cause a problem. Select this alone, open this panel, go to edit, and then just hit apply all for this and for this, and there we go. Well, now we have the same bevel is applied on this piece and on this piece. That's cool. After that, let's isolate this piece alone, the upper one. Just hit slash, and from the top view, just hit 7. Let's add a cylinder here, right here. It's very big. Let's add 5 and 5 here, and scale it, make it almost at this size. And let's take one, put it right here, scale it more. But the scaling working according to the cursor, so let's change this to medium point. Scale this a bit right here, and move it here, maybe right here. Shift, before you duplicate it, let's make sure that we make this penetrate this piece. So hit G and take this down right about here mostly, and from the top view, Shift D, and let's take a copy right here, and let's take those together, Shift D and take a copy and put them right here. So grab them all just like that, and then grab this piece and Control minus to create holes. And when you complete, grab everything, Control A, apply visual geometry, and now you can delete these. You don't need them anymore, just like that. And you have some problem with the shading, you can right click, shade smooth again, and activate auto smooth for this piece. And as you see, the auto smooth is activated and the result is grayed out. If you want to reset the smooth, the normal, you can go to, let's see, go to geometry data and clear custom split normal data, just like that, to clear everything. Okay, and now let's see what we can do here. Now we can add, let's see what we have. Because we hit Control A and applied visual geometry to mesh, we lost the bevel modifier. It was right here, so let's hit Control Z couple times, just like that. And now what we can do, apply them just like that. You can grab this, apply all. Let's see if that, yeah, that's gonna cause a problem. See, where is the bevel? Well, anyway, that's not a big issue. I'm gonna grab them all, Control A, apply visual geometry to mesh, and I will delete these again, just like that, and shade smooth and delete clear custom split. That's cool. And tap to the edit mode, delete these faces, this one, and this one right here, XF to delete them, and grab these edges, entire edge loop, and this one right here, hold Alt Shift to grab this and this, the same thing right here, this one, deselect this, hold Control and deselect it, and after that just bevel these edges. So Control B for bevel, and let's bevel these. Yeah, something like that. We will fix the issue of the normal, don't worry about that. So we got this result so far. Now what we can do is we can go to the modifier and let's add weighted normal to fix everything, and now it's clean and good. Let's see what we got here on this side. I need to add a bevel right here. Control B. That would be better. Alright, so hit slash again, and let's take this piece, Shift D, let's put this right here, and let's grab this and hold Shift to grab this and isolate them, and from the top view grab this one and rotate to the Y, so RY 90°, just like that. Hold Control key and put it right here, scale it, make it small. If you want to make it precisely in the center, what we can do is can select this, tap to the edit mode and alt click to select this edge loop, and Shift S cursor to select it to bring the 3D cursor right here in the middle. After that, just tap to the edit object mode, 7 again, tap to the object mode and grab this, Shift S and selection to cursor, and now it is precisely in the middle. Let's check the height, G, and take this down, maybe right here, and let's Shift D to take a copy and let's put one right here, eyeball it, G to the Y, just like that. Grab those together and Shift D and take them to the other side and eyeball them, G, and just like that. Now just hit slash, and now we got something like this. That's cool. So this piece should be plastic and this piece should be metal, and that means this piece is replaceable. Alright. Alright, see you in the next tutorial.